But one thing,
Yeah.
how sporty this city is.
Oh, I see a lot of people enjoy sports here. I actually see there's a lot of people wearing like sport clothes mostly. And I see a lot of people playing volleyball. There's so many places actually just for that. So you can do sport, bicycle, volleyball. It's like very development here.
Yeah, you see a lot of running, you see a lot of people walking, a lot of people just doing the bicycles, you see people doing scooters, all type of things. I mean, literally, this is a nice vibe.
Yeah.
So you can come over here, however, you can walk. I can imagine this probably in the morning during the sunsets and everything. It's probably very, very popular.
Yeah, and I see that this area actually very nice for like in the morning. If you like to run in the morning, I think it's definitely a very nice area for that. Oh guys, we're getting close to the beach.
I can see the
It looks
ocean
nice.
already, guys, for sure.
Super ready.
Guys, this is South Beach. Let's take a look at it.
We on the beach of Miami, of its south, right?
South Beach.
South Beach. Guys,
It's right
what
across
we
from
can
Ocean
tell
Drive.
is it's completely another story from like Charleston, Middle Beach, all of that is a little different story. And of course, it's not the same like Bahamas, but that's very nice. I would say it's definitely nice. And we have a nice view of the city.
Yeah, and just
The
look at,
sand is nice.
and just look, maybe you can show me the amount of land that they have available.
Yeah, the amount of land is insane, it's a lot. And I would definitely say that the water here is a little bit better too, you know, just because of Miami being closer to those areas of the Bahamas and all that.
You can
So
see
definitely,
it's
you
a little
can see
wavy.
Yeah.
We are still, I think it's still the Hollywood Boardwalk beach was probably the more calm that we have seen.
Yeah, I would say so.
Because this one, just even here, the waves are a little bit more, because the wind is a little bit more active. So on Hollywood Boardwalk, compared to this one or the Fort Lauderdale beach, it was slightly more chilly, no?
I would say so. But it's different again, beaches. You know, this one more waves for sure.
For sure.
And there's a lot of big land, a lot of land. I would say it's beautiful actually here. But first beach in Fort Lauderdale we saw, it was probably my one of the favorite because it was so calm,
Very calm,
clean,
yeah.
comfortable.
Let's
This
get
one
closer
is
to the
little
water.
different vibe.
A little bit there probably just to see how the water looks like.